Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Another very, very eventful day in this one. Just truly a crazy explosion to think that a couple days ago, this thing was actually down below 50 cents. Then I did a video on it a couple of days ago, and then today it got up over $2.50. Crazy stuff. It has since pulled back, which is what brings this level here at $1.50 to a very, very important status. But the first update that does need to be done, and the reason why this level is so important, so let's just get this into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why is $1.50 important? Why do you want to see that act as support? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just to better explain myself, if the price were to come down to $1.50 and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down here, pulls back a bit more, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one, you'd have a low right there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And that's why in this situation, to me, $1.50 going forward, very, very important, because you want to see the price making progress, right? You don't want to see the price going back to where it was. So keep a close eye on that level. And that'll be a very important, like I said, from the support side of things. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, going into Friday, the key level of resistance that stands out to me is this trend line right there. So keep a close eye on that. And if the price can work its way up there and get a good high volume break of that level, the next key level to keep an eye on would be up around the 285 mark. So all in all, though, crazy movement today, crazy volume. Let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.